If you're seeing the itch.io Json Rpc error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing, downloading, or publishing without the frustration. This kind of error is often caused by a temporary connection issue, a browser problem, or something blocking the request in the background. So before you assume it's a bigger problem, let's go through the simple checks first. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps you updated with more fixes like this in the future. All right, let's get into it. The first thing to do is refresh the page. A lot of the time, the error is only temporary, and reloading the page can immediately clear it. If the page still does not work, check your internet connection next. Make sure you're actually connected and that your connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the request and trigger this Json Rpc error. If your internet looks fine, the next thing I want you to try is turning off your VPN. In many cases, VPNs can interfere with the way itch.io communicates with its servers. They can change your IP, slow down requests, or cause security checks to fail. So if you have a VPN running, pause it completely and then reload itch.io again. Now, if the error is still happening, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can sometimes conflict with the current version of the site and cause loading or request errors. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cached files and cookies for itch.io, or clear them for the browser entirely if needed. After that, close the browser, reopen it, and try again. If that still doesn't solve it, try a different browser. Sometimes the issue is not itch.io itself, but the browser you're using. Extensions, outdated browser data, or compatibility problems can all cause this error. If you're using Chrome, try Firefox or Edge. If you're on Safari, try another browser and see whether the page loads correctly there. Another helpful tip is to disable extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions. These can sometimes interfere with itch.io's requests and trigger a Json Rpc error. Open a private window or incognito mode if you want a quick test, because that usually runs with fewer extensions enabled. If the site works in a different browser or incognito mode, then the problem is probably local to your browser setup, not your account or the itch.io servers. In that case, you can re-enable your extensions one by one to figure out which one is causing the issue. If you're still stuck after that, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes the issue is caused by a temporary server problem or a short outage on itch.io side. In that case, refreshing later may fix it without any changes on your end. So, to quickly recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, turn off your VPN, clear browser cache and cookies, and try a different browser. Those steps fix most itch.io Json Rpc errors fast and safely. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.